Adventures with Jay. Oh, how I miss you guys so much. If you are new to the channel, welcome. This channel is everything DIY, fashion, and business. Welcome. If you are already a family member, welcome back. I know you miss me. I miss you too, sis. I miss y'all. It's been way too long. It's been like a week, 2 weeks, maybe even more since the last time that I posted content creating. What? I just want to let you guys know really quickly before we get started, please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. I see a lot of you guys are watching and tuning in, but you're either one, not subscribed, or two, not liking the video. So please do me a favor and do that right quick for me, because one, it's free 99, and two, I want you guys to be tuned in when I'm dropping content, and also just joining my community that I'm trying to build up. Today, as you can see from the title, we are doing something extra goody, extra juicy that a lot of you guys may or may not know. So I can't wait to share with you guys what we're gonna do today. Okay, so this is the band, and as you can see, it is already completed, and it also has rhinestone adapters, and this came from Amazon. Yes, sis, believe it or not, these came from Amazon. Don't get me wrong, the beads are much smaller. These are about a 6mm bead compared to my 10mm beads that I usually use. You see the difference? It's a big difference. I'm gonna get another bead so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So these are like the typical size beads that I use, which is 10mm, and then these are the beads that from Amazon. You can get these from my store. So in the description box, it's gonna be a link to my store, to my affiliate Amazon link, and this will show you where exactly I get these bands, okay? Because y'all know I always spill the tea for you guys, right? So make sure at the end of this video you click the link in the description, and that will lead you to my affiliate link, and then you will see all the things that I get from my office, all the things that I buy for has charms, beads, and you will also see these goodies right here. So I really wanted to let you guys know about this because the holidays are coming up. Black Friday is coming up. So if you are pushing for time or not comfortable creating Apple bands right now, you can have the option to purchase these, or you also have the option to purchase a class with me. I am currently offering beaded bracelet classes and Apple band classes because a lot of you guys DM me and tell me that you guys still need a little extra help. You want to talk to me live about the band, so I now offer that for you guys as well. So but in the meantime, you can also check out these bad boys off of Amazon. And all we have to do is, one, you can leave it like this, which is totally optional, but you know, I'm extra. So we are going to add some charms on these bad boys. So I like to try to keep things coordinated as much as I can. So I am going to add rose gold jump rings and split rings onto this band, okay? And then since Christmas is coming up, I am going to do like some red, like a red and rose gold themed bracelet. So I got my tray out. I kind of, I have my charms color coordinated, so I think I'm going to put about 6 to 8 charms on this band. I don't want to overload it too much because, you know, it's already like little. And we are going to do rose gold and red since the holidays are coming up, you guys. So we're gonna do that. But what you guys been up to? I miss you guys so much. As you can see, I have a little bit different scenery for those who may have noticed. We trying something different. I moved my office to one of my bedrooms so I can record in peace, because as y'all can see, it's quiet, right? My kids ain't all loud because I closed the door. Oh no, I got a door to close now. But I miss you guys so much. I've been so busy and stressing, but I gotta get back focused, you know? Gotta get back focused. Okay, so I got 6 charms. Trying to see, should I do 6 or should I do 8? I don't know. But what I was gonna say, so yeah, again, you guys, click the link in the description and it's gonna send you guys to these bracelets. And I want to add that these do not fit on like big wrists. This is more for like a 6.5, 7-inch wrist. It will fit comfortably on there. I like how they do 4 rows and how they space this in these rhinestone connector pieces, but I do not care for the string that they use. They use like a whole different type of string, but it gets the job done, you guys. It gets the job done. So, but it's not all that. But I really love the rhinestone adapters that they use on there. Those are super cute. So, and then it's like, these are perfect because like when you in a rush, because you know bands take a long time. So when you in a rush and stuff, these come in handy. So now I just got my spacers out. I mean my spacers, my jump rings and my split rings out. That's what I got out right now. We're gonna put this bad boy together. What was I gonna say? I forget what I was gonna say. And then oh, that's what I was gonna say. These also come in different colors as well. So they come in different colors, different styles. So totally up to you. I call these my simple bands because they are smaller in beads and they not as dramatic. These bands are perfect for my customers who don't like big beads, who don't like to overdo it, who like, you know, simple but classy looks. These bands are perfect for them. But for some reason my customers still really love the 10mm ones more. Like the custom made ones, they like those more than these, I guess, because it's more of a dramatic look, because you know they all extra like me. But I still like it. I still like these bands because, you know, it gets the job done and it's already done for you, and all that. But are you guys ready for the holidays? I know the pandemic kind of canceled the holidays for a lot of people. Shoot, it canceled the holidays for me too, because I just not really in the Christmas spirit like this year, and I'm trying to get out my funk, but I haven't even been Christmas shopping or anything yet. Like, it's real bad. And I don't know, I just haven't been feeling it. But hopefully, maybe once Thanksgiving come, I'll feel a little better about it. But don't forget, you guys, please make sure you subscribing to the channel and liking this video, so So when you're on YouTube, you know, you will get notifications when I'm posting and stuff like that, because these bands, when I give you guys the link, they're gonna like sell out. So, but I just want to shout out to you guys for always supporting me. So, okay, enough of me talking. So now I'm going to add the charms. So these are the charms that I'm gonna do. I thought to do red since Christmas is coming up. This would be cute to wear for the holidays. And please don't forget that you can get these charms from www.jasari.com, jasare.com. And if you click under the wholesale tab, be a part of our wholesale team. And you will love it. You know, I love my ladies. I love my, well, it's not all ladies, but I love my family. You know, we have business talk Tuesdays. I provide different wholesale items for those who have a jewelry business, or who may have another business, but now they want to get into the jewelry or bangle business, because I have a lot of people who started off with like lip gloss, and now they want to jump into the bangle business. So it really just depends. So now that I'm doing this band, you guys, like, it's really not moving, but it's kind of like big. Like, it's kind of big because these beads are so small. So you see how big that split ring is on there? Can y'all see that? You see how kind of big it is? So if you don't want to do a split ring and jump ring like I did, I would suggest just doing a jump ring, because the jump rings fit on there perfectly, but the split rings are a tad bit too big. So it's up to you how you want to do it, okay? But as I'm doing it, the split rings is a little too big, and if the split ring is bigger than the bead, what's going to happen is the charms are going to like shuffle all around, and you don't want that. That's gonna look tacky. So we want to make sure they stay put and where they belong. So I'm just adding all the charms on there, and we're almost done. Look, we only, what, 10 minutes in, and I'm almost done. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Y'all know any other time I'll be getting to this part 30 minutes later, 20 minutes later, right? But not with this. It's already done, honey child. And this option is perfect for those who always asking me, do I wholesale my bands? And I don't wholesale my bands because they take too long to do, and it wouldn't even be worth it. But so this is a perfect option for you if you are interested in bands but you're not quite comfortable making them yourself yet. So this is a great option. And then and don't forget, make sure you use my affiliate link. I am now a partner with Amazon, because what I tell y'all, did I manifest that, sis. Did not manifest that, because remember, if you've been following me for some time, you'll remember that I said Amazon needs to run me my coins, because I literally get everything from Amazon for my business and stuff. And I was like, Amazon need to run my coins. And then people from the team and on my Instagram was like, you need to partner with Amazon. Amazon do need to pay you. And I was like, you're right. And I manifested that, and now I got a little Amazon store. I can show you guys all the things that I buy for my business and stuff. It's pretty cool. I like it. And cause y'all be asking me all the time where I be getting my stuff, and I could just guide y'all to that link. So sis, if you buy anything from that link from my store, I appreciate you, because you know I get like a little commission from it. It's not much, but every penny counts, you. Every penny count, okay? So when you purchase from my link, I really appreciate you. Okay, y'all, this is the last charm, and we are done, you guys. Bam! And I did all the same brand. on this one. Look, it's trying to help me get in the Christmas spirit. Okay, look at this. Look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Yes. I'm gonna give you guys a close view. But yeah, you guys, that is it. That is it. It's that simple. So just to recap about everything. One, this band fits perfectly for a 6.5 to a 7-inch wrist. You can try a 7.5, but it'd be kind of tight. So to me, they fit perfect for a 6.5, 6-inch through 7-inch wrist. That's who this band fits perfect for. Anything bigger, it will pop or it will fit uncomfortable. Two, I got this from Amazon. They also have different colors. I will have everything in my link, which will be in the description box. 3, be careful because the string is pretty fragile compared to the elastic string that I recommend that's in my Amazon store. They use a completely different elastic string. 4, the designer charms are from www.jsiree.com. You are more than welcome to join our wholesale team. Please DM me on Instagram if you have any extra questions. And then last but not least, please don't forget that I will be offering beaded bracelet classes and aquaband classes. And make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button and like this video for me, you guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please, please, please get ready for the holidays, you guys. Even if you are a small business, still do something for Black Friday, even though Black Friday and Christmas is pretty much like not the same this year. But it's okay. Still do something because people are still shopping and want to do Christmas shopping and support small businesses. So please make sure you're doing that, you guys. Like always, I appreciate you coming to the channel. And I'm so glad you was able to join in. And comment below and let me know what you guys think about this. Do you like the custom bands better, or do you like this method better? Make sure you comment below and let me know. And I will see you guys next time.